Hi everyone, it's me again, Anchisa from Ling app, and today I will be teaching you the topic of Thai Phrases about accommodation. Because when you're traveling, accommodation is also one of the most important thing that you know. And if you know some Thai phrases, it could help you a lot with traveling. Let's get started. I will start with the first word, tîi-pák. Tîi-pák, which means accommodation. And by tîi-pák, we have different type of it. I will go into one on one. The first one is the most common one, โรงแรม โรงแรม or hotel. And the next one is hostel. But in Thai, we use the English word with a Thai accent. So it's going to be hostel, hostel. And the next word are also the same. Guest word sorry, guest house. And in Thai is gaest-hao, gaest-hao. Next, homestay, homestay, homestay. Next word, bungalow, bungalow, bungalow. Camping, camping, camping. This is a nature of Thai word that we mostly end the last word without high pitch. So instead of camping, we will say camping, camping, and is that word will turn into Thai completely. And next will be your useful phrases that you should know before you're traveling. The first word is, are there rooms available? Which mean มีห้องว่างไหม มีห้องว่างไหม and as always don't forget to put ค่ะ or ครับ in the end of the sentence to make it more polite. So มีห้องว่างไหมคะ มีห้องว่างไหมครับ mean are there rooms available? Next word, when you ask for a price, how much does the room cost? ห้องราคาเท่าไหร่คะ ห้องราคาเท่าไหร่ครับ and there is a short version of it. You can ask คืนเท่าไหร่คะ คืนละเท่าไหร่ครับ which mean how much per night. It's a shorter version but also still polite. You can also use it. The next one, could you recommend a hotel? Could you recommend a hotel? Which mean คุณช่วยแนะนำโรงแรมหน่อยได้ไหมคะคุณช่วยแนะนำโรงแรมหน่อยได้ไหมครับ It means like you ask the people that can they recommend you a place to stay during your traveling. Next one, when you are traveling with your family and you have like a niece, a baby with you, you could ask that like, is there a bed for a child or is there a bed for a baby? Or you can just like ask, is there a baby cot? Is there a crib? For particular that like okay we didn't know like you know your child age so maybe the normal extra bed is not suit well for your family so in Thai is มีเตียงนอนสำหรับเด็กไหมคะมีเตียงนอนสำหรับเด็กไหมครับ in Thai both baby and child we use the word เด็ก represent them but if you want to be more specific for like a baby and infant you can say ทารก which is very polite in Thai. And next one, when you change your mind that you have to change the hotel or you cannot travel anymore and you want to cancel the reservation, like I would like to cancel my reservation, you can say ฉันขอยกเลิกการจองค่ะฉันขอยกเลิกการจองค่ะ or ฉันขอยกเลิกการจองครับฉันขอยกเลิกการจองครับ The word ยกเลิก means cancel and reservation is การจอง so cancel reservation ยกเลิกการจอง but please be careful because it depends on the condition of each hotel. And the next sentence ห้องข้างๆเสียงดังมากค่ะห้องข้างๆเสียงดังมากครับ This is when you want to report to the staff that the room next to you is being very noisy. ห้องข้างๆ mean the room next to you and เสียงดังมาก in Thai เสียงดังมาก in English it's very noisy. So this sentence you can also apply it when someone will speak very loud too that like you พูดเสียงดังมากคุณพูดเสียงดังมาก Next sentence มีห้องถูกกว่านี้ไหมคะมีห้องถูกกว่านี้ไหมครับ Is it this one is when you want to negotiate for your price for booking for staying, which means do you have any cheaper rooms or do you have any cheaper price? One of the important one that is when you ask, is breakfast included? Because when you book a room and staying outside of your country, you wouldn't want to miss your breakfast. So in Thai we say รวมอาหารเช้าไหมคะรวมอาหารเช้าไหมครับ Breakfast in Thai is อาหารเช้า Next one is if you want to ask for transfers, that like do they provide transfers? In English would be do you provide transfers? But in Thai would be มีรถรับส่งไหมคะรถรับส่ง means transfers. So in Thai มีรถรับส่งไหมคะมีรถรับส่งไหมครับ and this sentence you can be used in the airport like or in the hotel also, that like when you want to leave the luggage first but then you go travel and then you go come back and get the luggage and then check out again. So can I leave my luggage here? In Thai would be ฝากกระเป๋าเดินทางไว้ที่นี่ได้ไหมคะฝากกระเป๋าเดินทางไว้ที่นี่ได้ไหมครับ And that would be it for today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching me. Please, before you go, please subscribe and follow us for more video like this. And if you have any question or suggestions, please comment it down there. I will answer it out and read it out. Thank you so much. Bye bye.